Today's Sunday, November 5th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado double compound sliding windshield wiper switch. This is from my friend Adele in Cape Coral. And this is a fully restored switch, whereby the predecessor video shows the unit completely disassembled and fully serviced. I'm going to be doing a functional validation test connected under power. We'll be looking for the light bulb here to turn on, indicative of electrical continuity at each of the different position settings for the switch. Included in this order is the fully restored original vintage wiper motor. This is the unit with the spray nozzle multiplexer, also rebuilt and restored and tested, as well as this power door lock electrical solenoid actuator that was shown in an earlier video. Okay, so the unit's connected to power. I'll go ahead and slide the switch all the way up to high, and we see the light bulb coming on, off, low, medium, off, and sliding. Okay, so this is the fully restored wiper switch for my friend Adele. I'll go ahead and test the wiper as well. I'm sorry, the washer. There we go. Okay, so this will be shipping out as soon as I get his okay to ship. Apply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorado, 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items, such as my fully rebuilt wiper motors with the multiplexer washer, as well as the wiper switch and the power door lock actuating activators, the electrical solenoids, which I'll also be shipping to Adele, as was shown in one of the predecessor videos. So this is George in Florida. Today is November 5th. Thank you very kindly.